Hello and welcome everybody. Humble stock on 28 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start on 28 November. So as we can see here, this is going to be referring for us that is going to be the part where a lot of people searching about it. Here, okay. So I think it is going to be the part where the price is going to stand out for 01 Fibonacci level on 1 day update. If we go for 1 week, it's going to be give us a different things. That is still not accurate. Okay, this is humble stock that has been reached for a while. Okay, maybe for about 10 years and then it increased again. That's what we wanted to explain on this stock here. And it's going to be one of the stocks that can be applicated next time for this after it an increase in momentum if it went for this longer period again. Hope you benefit from this video.